Sziasztok, hi everyone, I'm Sándor, welcome to another Hungarian lesson. Let's see how you can use the words ENNYIRE and ANNYIRA. Before we dive in, let's establish what does ennyi and annyi mean. Ennyi refers to a specific or a concrete amount of something, or people. So basically it means this much or this many. And sometimes it can be also used to mean that's it. Let's say you're sharing your opinion on something, and at the end you just say, ennyi. You know, I think this and that, ennyi. That's it. This much and no more. Movie directors say this also instead of cut. They just say, ennyi, ennyi. That's it. But to give you some examples, ennyi pénzem van. Ennyi pénzem van. I have this much money. Ennyi elég lesz. Ennyi elég lesz. This will be enough. The Hungarian sentence literally means this much or many will be enough. Miért van ennyi szomorú ember a világon? Miért van ennyi szomorú ember a világon? Why are there so many sad people in this world? Again, literally, why are this many sad people in the world? We could do a deep dive on just ennyi, but let's move on. Annyi refers to a larger, less defined amount of something. It's usually translated as that much, that many, or so much. Many times we use it in emotionally charged situations. For example, annyi szép hely van a világon. Annyi szép hely van a világon. There are so many beautiful places in this world. Again, annyi is used in a lot of situations. It can also be used when we are comparing people or things. Also, there's the phrase neked annyi, which I made a video about. So it doesn't always mean that much, that many, or so much, but that's the basis. So what are ennyire and annyira? Well, they come from ennyi and annyi. Both are adverbs. Let's see ennyire first. This word basically means to this extent, this much, and sometimes even so. But it's mostly translated as this in English. But it's not a demonstrative pronoun. Usually we use it before verbs and adjectives. Let me give you some examples so you know what I'm talking about. Ennyire szeretlek. Ennyire szeretlek. I love you this much. I love you to this extent. This can cause you trouble if you're a T-Rex because their arms, or more like their frontal legs, are very close to each other. Ennyire még sosem örültem. Ennyire még sosem örültem. I've never been this happy before. Literally, I've never been happy to this extent. Ennyire nehéz a döntés. Ennyire nehéz a döntés. Is the decision this difficult? Again, is the decision difficult to this extent? Ennyire hangos volt a zene. Ennyire hangos volt a zene. The music was this loud. It was loud to this extent. Now, if you have to demonstrate this, then you'll need to crank up your own sound system or something, meaning you're going to burst everyone's eardrums. Fun times. Nem hittem volna, hogy ennyire megváltozik. Nem hittem volna, hogy ennyire megváltozik. I didn't think he, she, or it was going to change this much. Without context, we don't know who or what the person is talking about. Ennyire közel állunk egymáshoz. Ennyire közel állunk egymáshoz. We're this close to each other. This can be a physical thing or emotional. Maybe you're good friends, or maybe you're just standing really close to each other. Miért vagy ennyire szomorú? Miért vagy ennyire szomorú? Why are you this sad? Or why are you so sad? Please note that whenever you use ennyire before the adjective, you can always substitute it with ilyen. Ilyen. The meaning will be the same. Miért vagy ilyen szomorú? Miért vagy ilyen szomorú? Ennyire egyszerű a megoldás. Ennyire egyszerű a megoldás. The solution is this simple. Again, you could say, ilyen egyszerű a megoldás. Ilyen egyszerű a megoldás. Okay, let's take a look at annyira. It means that much, to that extent, so much, or in English, mostly it's so. And if it's used before an adjective, you can substitute it with olyan. Olyan. Let's see some examples. Annyira fáradt vagyok. Annyira fáradt vagyok. I'm so tired. I'm tired to that extent, or I'm that much tired. And you can also say, olyan fáradt vagyok. Olyan fáradt vagyok. It means the same. Annyira gyorsan történt minden. Annyira gyorsan történt minden. Everything happened so fast. Literally, everything happened to that extent quickly. It makes zero sense like that. Annyira szeretem ezt a helyet. Annyira szeretem ezt a helyet. I love this place so much. Annyira jó érzés volt. Annyira jó érzés volt. It felt so good. I mean, laxatives are a powerful thing. Annyira vártam ezt a pillanatot. Annyira vártam ezt a pillanatot. I've been waiting for this moment so much. Annyira jó veled beszélgetni. Annyira jó veled beszélgetni. It's so nice talking to you. I love that. I love having interesting conversations. A macska annyira megijedt, hogy felugrott a fára. A macska annyira megijedt, hogy felugrott a fára. The cat got so scared, it jumped up the tree. Annyira hülye vagy. Annyira hülye vagy. You're so stupid. Again, saying olyan hülye vagy means the same thing. And it's not necessarily negative. We say this many times when somebody says something funny. Ah, you're so stupid. Annyira hülye vagy. So this can be a compliment too. Alright, that's enough for today. Now go and take your laxatives. Thank you so much for studying with me today. If you enjoyed this video, please hit like and subscribe. And if you feel like supporting the channel even more, my PayPal information is in the description. See you in the next lesson. Sziasztok, a viszontlátásra!